Every angler needs them, you can't get round them. Swivels in all their various shapes and forms. We've got quite a range here, all that do different things. First off's a good old high roller size 8, matte finish, anti-glare, 50-pound test, does all the things that swivels do, and always will be the most common swivel in use today. But variations of that, we've got the ball bearing swivel, which has got integral, I think they're 0.75 ball bearings inside them. It avoids line twist, very, very good for the chod rig, spodding and things like where you normally expect to get a lot of tangle and twist on your mono. That alleviates all the rest of the things that can happen with that. Flexi rings here for the hinge stiff rig, helicopter rigs, chod rigs and whatnot, depending on how you want to tie them. There's a small version there, probably more in keeping with the hinge stiff rig, the size 12 with this welded ring on it. Quick change helicopter swivels here for speed fishing, and all you add to that is the anti-tangle sleeve just to lock it off, and you can change your hook links in a matter of seconds. Same with this version, which is the standard type quick change swivel for use with leg clips and various sort of leg clip setups. There's a new bait holder micro swivel here, which I've used quite a lot myself recently. With the one end of that swivel's a bayonet fitting, so you push the bait into that on the hair, and that stops it folding over the hook and also gives that rotation, so again stops tangling and gives you a different angle on presentation with the hook not wanting to turn over and stuff. Again, small rig swivels there for much the same sort of use down the shank on the D-rigs and whatever. And these little gadgets here, which is a PVA bag swivel. One of the problems with fishing PVA bags, if you nick the hook into it, it's either hooked up in the strongest part of that bag for a long cast, which is on the knot, which way you end up with a big blob of PVA around the hook point, which you definitely don't want. These little fellas have got a key ring, patented design. You can see that there. All you're doing with that is you get your PVA bag, as one I made earlier. You simply drop the end where the knot is into the thicker part, pull it down the key ring, and there he is. You can cast that as far as you need to. It's never ever going to come off. It can't be impeded by can't impede the hook at all with any blobs of PVA, and then just simply nick the hook into that bag somewhere, and you can put that as far as you need to put it. Yeah, all manner of various swivels, all do something different. Generally I'd carry all those in my tackle box and find a use for them all at some stage or other.